Hey cook-in travelers! Craving a healthy, refreshing, and protein-packed meal? Look no further than this delicious grilled chicken salad. This salad isn't just about taste, though it's amazing. It's packed with essential nutrients from the greens, protein from the chicken, and vitamins from the toppings. Today, we'll explore 3 delicious variations to suit your taste and dietary preferences. Stay tuned. Let's start with our first recipe, the classic Caesar salad with grilled chicken. For this, you'll need chicken breasts, romaine lettuce, Parmesan cheese, croutons, and Caesar dressing. Grill the chicken breasts evenly and flavor them to perfection. Then arrange the romaine lettuce, add the sliced chicken, Parmesan cheese, croutons, and drizzle with Caesar dressing. You can also try alternatives like using grilled chicken thighs, homemade croutons, or light Caesar dressing. Next up, we have the Asian-inspired grilled chicken salad with peanut dressing. Showcase Asian-inspired ingredients like shredded carrots, red cabbage, cucumber, edamame, and peanut sauce. Grill the chicken with Asian marinades. Layer the salad with colorful vegetables, sliced chicken, and drizzle with peanut sauce. Add flavorful touches like toasted sesame seeds, chopped cilantro, or a lime wedge. You can also try variations like using tofu instead of chicken, different Asian dressings, or adding chopped nuts for extra crunch. Our final recipe is the Mediterranean grilled chicken salad with feta and olives. Highlight Mediterranean flavors with cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, Kalamata olives, crumbled feta, and balsamic vinaigrette. Use a flavorful marinade for the chicken and grill it to perfection. Arrange the salad with Mediterranean ingredients, add sliced chicken and feta cheese, and drizzle with balsamic vinaigrette. You can also try variations like using grilled shrimp instead of chicken, adding other Mediterranean vegetables like bell peppers, or trying a different cheese like goat cheese. In conclusion, try these recipes, experiment with your own variations, and don't forget to subscribe to Cook and Travel for more healthy and delicious inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking and healthy eating. Cook and Travelers.